In Python, the list extend method extends the list by adding items from a structure that can be looped over. Here's the most basic example. If we give ourselves a list A that holds 1, 2, and 3, then do a.extend and pass in a list that holds 4, 5, and 6, then the list A will now hold 1 through 6. Now to expand on what I said at the start of the video, what are the structures that can be looped over in Python? Those are lists, tuples, sets, dictionaries, and strings. Those are your main ones at least. Lists, tuples, and sets give you no funny business when passing them into extend. Extend just puts the elements inside the structure you passed into your existing list. If you pass a dictionary into extend, so A equals the list containing 1 through 3, then if you do a.extend with the dictionary containing the string containing A mapped to 1, A will only have the key from the dictionary added into it, not the whole key value pair. Back to A equaling the list containing 1 through 3, if you do a.extend with the string ABC, the list will now contain 1 through 3 and the strings A through C. This is because the string is itself something that can be looped over, so extend adds each and every character from the string. Like and subscribe to learn more.